guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have a grocery haul here and there will be another grocery haul after this one. I'm just taking a break this week from going to Walmart because A, it's unusually crowded for a stay-home order. It's still crowded, so people aren't listening, but mainly because a lot of things are out of stock. So I went to Price Chopper. I actually looked online. They were having a bunch of sales for things that I thought looked good. So I went to Price Chopper here. This was, I think, around $75. Or no, sorry, $65. And I also have to go to Aldi, just specifically for mainly produce and a few specific things that I get at Aldi. But anyway, $65. I got a couple of these ribs. Usually they are like $8.99. But they had them on sale this week for $5.99. So I got one for us to grill this week and then one to freeze because these are the perfect size. They're not super huge. Grady won't eat these. So it'll be 2 dinners, and it was nice to get them on sale. I also got some peasant bread, which was also on sale for $2 a loaf. From their bakery, and I got a panini maker recently, so I wanted to get some good like peasant bread to make panini sandwiches for lunches this week. I also got these potatoes. They are huge. They are triple cheese, twice baked potatoes. And I normally just make twice baked potatoes. I think I even have like cooking videos showing how I make them. It's definitely a convenience thing and you pay for it. It was $5 for these. Although they are huge, they're just a convenience thing because twice baked potatoes are very time consuming to make. And since I do work from home now, I don't really have the time between working and homeschooling to do intricate things at the moment. So I did get these as a convenience thing. I thought they'd be good with like the ribs or maybe whatever one is left, just to have like this with a salad for a lunch one day since I'm eating all meals at home now. From the deli, I got some, this is the Bacon Lovers turkey from Dietz and Watson. So the turkey is actually wrapped in bacon, so it has like a bacon flavor. And then I also got some Dietz and Watson pub style Black Forest ham, which I'm going to use both to make paninis with the peasant bread. I also got a large tomato to slice up and put on the panini sandwiches. This just looked good for something different for my husband for a snack. I don't eat anything like cream cheesy, but this is a pub cheese, spreadable cheese, garlic and herb, and I thought these would be good on like the pita chips that I bought recently or crackers, and then just put like pepperoni and maybe some cut up veggies or something for like a little snack for him. I'm just trying to think of different things for us to have than just like sandwiches or convenience things or takeout. I got strawberries for my son mainly. I mean, my husband, I'm not a big strawberry fan. My husband likes them. Grady likes strawberries. Cheese was on sale, the Price Chopper brand cheese. So I got a Swiss for my husband and a sharp cheddar for me, or, you know, whoever wants it. And again, kind of going along with the panini theme. That's why I got those. I got some regular original Pringles, some of the Price Chopper brand hazelnut creamer for Matt, and the sugar-free hazelnut creamer for me. They did not have any sugar-free varieties in the Price Chopper brand, which is like half the price. This is like $2.20 and this is like $4.29. It's super inflated compared to Walmart because I'm used to Walmart's prices, but it is what it is for the week. So I got those. Ice cream was on sale, 2 for $4 or 2 for $5. Either 2 for $4 or 2 for $5. So I got cookies and cream and French vanilla. I like to get ice cream every once in a while, so I just got a couple of them because they were a good deal. The Danimals smoothies, Grady loves these. They're just tiny little like shooter size. But they were actually, it was tricky. Normally I get the 12-pack, and the 12-pack was on sale there for $5.69, which is high. But the 6-packs were 2 for $5. So it was actually cheaper to buy 2 6-packs for, you know, you get the same amount, but you save that 69 cents. It's kind of weird. Still, again, higher than Walmart's pricing, but this is where I had to go this week. So I grabbed these in the like Paw Patrol raspberry flavor. I did get one convenience meal. I actually dropped it, so that's why it looks kind of messy. But it's turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing, and corn. I only got one because my husband does not like gravy, and it's this part is covered in gravy. So I just thought it would be a quick, easy lunch for me. Again, that's not a sandwich that I can just heat up one day while I'm working. So I looked to see if there was any for Matt, but all of them had like meatloaf and gravy, roast beef and gravy, and he's just not a gravy person. And I think this was around $4 or $5. I also got a veggie noodle, squash noodle stir fry. Again, definitely a convenience thing. I could have bought everything in here, but I would have had to buy, obviously, you know, a large container of kale, and, you know, I guess if you look at it that way, it's not that bad. It's like $4 for this. They do pack it in here. I will give them that. It's just under a pound. But it's all different kinds of squash, noodles, carrot, kale, snap peas, peppers, onions. And it's just, again, convenience. I can throw it in a saute pan or a grill pan and cook it up. And then lastly, I got this whole chicken. I have been trying to get a whole chicken for like a month, and everywhere is sold out. But they had a few at Price Chopper, so I got this fresh young chicken because we are going to do beer chicken this week. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I got this seasoning packet a while back, like a couple of months maybe. I got this from Walmart. It's the beer can chicken classic seasoning, and you literally, if you can see the picture, looks kind of weird. You put a chicken on top of a beer can. We already have beer, and Matt bought this beer can chicken rack, I guess. I think he got this at Lowe's. It was like $5. You just put this on like a baking sheet, a lined baking sheet, put the beer in here, and plop the chicken on here, and then you roast it. So I don't know, it looks pretty cool. We've been wanting to try it for a while, but again, I just couldn't find a chicken anywhere. So that's going to be one dinner this week as well. After this, I'm going to put what I got at Aldi, and then at the end, I will share my meal plan for the upcoming week. Alright guys, I just got back from Aldi, and I was able to get almost everything I went in there for. This was $32, which I thought was a good price. So mainly I went in for a few specific produce things. I needed baby bella mushrooms, so I got them at Aldi. I got the Wild Wonder. These are the multicolor, like little sweet tomatoes. I use these a lot for skewers and salads. And they were actually cheaper than Walmart, so that was awesome. I wanted an English cucumber for salad. Sometimes I also just like to cut these up and put like balsamic glaze or dip them in ranch. I needed more green onions. I use these for a lot of different things. I actually needed red pepper flakes because I'm just about to run out of the bottle I've had for like a couple years. So I got these. They were like 95 cents for the bottle. I wanted blueberries because I want to do blueberry pancakes one night for like a breakfast for dinner. So I got blueberries. I also wanted some cauliflower, so I was able to get all the little produce things I need. I already have like avocados, lettuce, peppers, carrots, celery, onions. I have a ton of stuff already, but these are just the specific things that I needed. I also got these almond, hickory smoke flavored almonds. It's like a smoky flavored almond. Pretty self-explanatory. It was like $4 something for this bag, and this is a 14-ounce bag, so I thought that would be a good little snack. I got some cherry cereal bars for Grady. He likes the Nutri-Grain cherry bars. And actually sometimes he'll eat like the apple, the raspberry. He's very phasey. So I got the cherry bars for him. I also got this bite-sized spicy dry salami. I've gotten this before from Aldi because this week I want to do like a couple days where we have like little snacky, almost like charcuterie style lunches with stuff like this, cheese, crackers, cut up veggies, maybe some fruit, things like that. So I got that. I also got the Aldi brand, which is Friendly Farms, their version of like the yogurt tubes. My son likes these, and he actually likes them partially frozen. I think I said cauliflower, but if I didn't, cauliflower to roast one night as a side this week. We're also going to try these Clancy's veggie chips. I'm hoping my son will try these. I'm not going to hold my breath, but I like veggie chips. Matt likes veggie chips, so I thought I would get those. I also grabbed these Quaker Caramel Rice Crisps. I do like these every once in a while. I also like the ranch and cheddar cheese ones. They actually had all three, but this one looked really good. I've got fruit snacks because my husband devours fruit snacks. I like them every once in a while. I actually like to keep one in like my handbag, and of course my son will eat them. I got the potato and cheddar pierogies, which is great because I actually looked at Price Chopper for the Mrs. T's ones and they were sold out. So I got the Aldi brand, which is Bremer potato and cheese pierogies. And then I also got some of the sun-dried tomato wraps because I thought these would be good in the panini grill to do like panini wrap sandwiches with like melted cheese and turkey, and I don't know, just gonna be really good. And we like wraps anyways. So this is everything I grabbed today. It was like 32, I think, 33, something like that. But now I'm gonna share my meal plan for the upcoming week. All right, so my meal plan for the week. One night we're gonna do the barbecue baby back ribs on the grill. Probably actually might do those tonight with the veggie like zoodle stir fry. I'll just throw it in a fry pan with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and some seasonings, and we'll have those twice baked potatoes. I'm mainly going to do this tonight so the veggies and the potatoes are fresh, since it's like a convenience thing and they have a shorter shelf life. One of the ribs I already threw into the freezer. I'm going to do blueberry pancakes one night because I have those blueberries and they're actually really sweet and delicious. I might have to go back and get a couple more because they're really tasty. And then we'll just do some sausage and some fruit. I've got a couple different fruits I need to use up. And then I need to get, I forgot to get the shaved beef because I want to do grilled Philly cheesesteak paninis. I have peppers, I have onions, I have cheese, I've got the bread, I've got the panini maker. I just forgot to get the shaved beef. So I'm going to start another little grocery list and just probably run out and get a few things that I forgot or need to complete this week's meals. I'm going to do oven fries along with the grilled Philly cheesesteak paninis. I'm sure you guys will see a lot of panini clips in upcoming lunch or dinner videos, or just videos where I incorporate lunches and dinners. I'm also going to do a shrimp Caesar salad, like a dinner size Caesar salad. I already have a ton of lettuce. I've got croutons, I've got Parm cheese, I've got Caesar dressing, and I'm 99% sure I have some shrimp frozen. I like to buy shrimp in bulk and then portion it out to like 1 pound increments, and then we'll just do some kind of Italian bread or garlic bread on the side. One night, I think closer to Memorial Day weekend, we're going to do burgers, hot dogs, veggie skewers, pasta salad. I'm thinking possibly we'll get together with my family, like my parents, my sister, my brother, only because things are easing up here as far as social distancing with family, and my family has been in complete like social distance isolation for over 2 months now, and we're all healthy, knock on wood. So a lot of people that we know are getting together just with family, not with like big gatherings, but just immediate family. So we're thinking of possibly getting together for the weekend. Not really sure yet. We're waiting to see like what our governor says, but that's a possibility. And if not, we'll just have the same dinner at home alone. One night we're going to do that beer can chicken that I showed you with some rice or veggies. I do have question marks because I don't know what kind of rice or what kind of veggie yet. I'll just have to see what I have. And then for our freebie night, there is a local to us place that does a big that's doing a big food truck event, but it's different because of COVID-19. So there's a website, there's like 30 different vendors that sell a variety of different types of ethnic foods. So you place your order online, you input like your license plate, your vehicle make and model, and then you go to the place on the certain day and they spot your vehicle by your, what kind of vehicle description and your license plate, and then they actually bring you your order. It's like a food truck vibe type of thing, except instead of eating there, you take it to go. So we'll probably do that because it's supporting local business. All the businesses that participate are all local, like in our county. So that's kind of what's going on for the week for the meal plan, and we'll see, how far we get with it. I tried to make it not too complicated. But anyways, that is what's going on food-wise. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.